What is site flipping? Suppose you want to start a website, let's say some e-commerce website, and you don't want to spend time and effort to build the website right from the scratch. So what you do is you go to the marketplace on the internet and you buy a similar site which is very relevant to your prospective business. So you buy a site for let's say $50 and then you spend some time and effort to do the revamp of the website and you improve the appearance, improve structure of the website and appearance and make it very attractive so that after a year you again go to the marketplace and then you sell this website at a higher rate. So let's say for $200 for you, which is a good $150 of profit. So what you have done is you have taken an old site instead of building something right from the new, and then you have just added some features and improvement and appearance structure, and you sold that site for some higher price, and you have taken the middle profit from it. This is what we call the site flipping.